Action! Hey gang,
Hello,
welcome back.
I'm Sandy.
I'm Lawrence. SNL Get Real. It's getting colder now. What is that? We're into, is it the first day of October yet?
It is the first day of October and it is about 7 degrees Celsius here in Winnipeg.
Sucks, man. It's cold.
Yeah,
Try to stay positive, but
it's hard.
I don't like the cold. Hurts the bones. Getting old, man.
It's time for
But anyways, today we want to share with you one of our favorite recipes. It's French toast. What do you want to call them?
French?
Crispy French toast deliciousness sticks.
sticks.
Low fat, high protein deliciousness.
They are really good.
Yeah.
You guys are going to enjoy this.
French toast, man. How could you go wrong? Maybe people are wondering, bread, diet, is it possible? Frickin' heck yeah, it's possible to eat bread and lose weight. It's one of the best foods out there. What do you think, honey?
I agree. I love bread.
Bread's fun. That's why everyone should follow HCFL. Bread. Anyways, let's get started with the recipe. This is all you're gonna need are egg whites. Any kind of bread you want, rye bread, white bread, and sourdough, don't matter. We use rye. You're gonna need some cinnamon, some vanilla, and we use sweetener, Splenda, to sweeten it up a little bit. That's it. It's pretty basic, but really, really delicious. For all you macro freaks out there, this recipe is gonna be a total of 476 calories, 38.5 grams of protein, 71.8 grams of carbs, and only 1.4 grams of fat. What do you think?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
And action.
Yeah. All right, here we go, gang. Egg whites, 1 cup. Ooh. Now for sweetener, you don't need to add sweetener, but we like to add Splenda. Don't worry, it's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna give you cancer. 0 calories, man. Whatever it takes to help you get through your diet. Cinnamon, I use about 1 teaspoon. You can add as little or as much as you want. If you don't like cinnamon, screw it, man. Don't add cinnamon. I love cinnamon. A couple of shakes of salt.
Pink Himalayan salts. If you want to be fancy.
You got it, baby. You got it. And then we get some vanilla. I think we'll go about 1 tablespoon. Same with vanilla. You don't have to add it, but that's good flavor. Add as little or as much as you want. So you just have everything together and just whisk. Just like regular French toast.
Minus the yolk.
Minus the yolk or the eggs. Man, take a look. Smell that. Mmm.
Smells good.
Delicious. All right. Now, if you haven't made French toast before, really simple. You have your bread slices. Come follow me to the thing. The oven. So we got our non-stick pan. Cooking spray. We've got it at a fairly low heat because you want the egg to cook through without burning everything.
Yeah, the worst is like having soggy French toast.
You want soggy French toast, man? Alright. See? All we're doing is soaking it in. Make sure it gets nice and soaked. Now I find for this particular rye bread, it takes about 5 slices to soak up all the 1 cup of egg mixture.
Yeah, I think we use, what is that, city rye?
Yeah, here in Winnipeg we use that city rye bread. It's really good because it doesn't have any preservatives.
I don't think there's any added sugar either.
And it's 0 fat, so. Okay, I don't have room for my 5th slice, but you get the picture. And we just wait for it.
Maybe we'll come back.
Yeah, unless there's anything you want to talk about.
Well, the maple syrup that we like to use, but we can do that after.
Okay. All right, we'll be back.
And action.
Hey, gang. All right, this is our French toast. There's only 2 pieces here because our little secret is I put 3 slices into our trusty air fryer here. Now this thing is probably one of our favorite little kitchen gadgets that we've gotten recently. Hey, honey?
We love the air fryer.
Oh man, if you're a potato hacker, like you can make fries in there with very little oil. We don't use any oil at all. Great, what do you call that? Appliance. So anyways, I just cut them like this, right? Strips. Yeah. And then stick them in the air fryer at 390 for about 2-3 minutes is all it takes. I'll show you. Comes out with these crispy, delicious French toast sticks. Now look at this. Here, focus on it. Look at how much food this is. This is under 500 calories, guys. A full meal. It's very important when you're trying to follow a healthy eating plan or a diet that you do foods that you enjoy and that are delicious. Otherwise, how are you going to follow it? Look at this. 500 calories, honey.
I'm excited to eat that.
Maybe describe some of the syrups we use.
Well, you can go to any food health store and pick this up. We just picked this up at Popeyes, actually.
Walden
It's
Farms.
0 calorie maple syrup.
And I don't really believe when they say 0 calories. So maybe it's more like 10 calories, very marginal anyways. And if you're not hardcore dieting and you're in the off season like us, maple syrup. Or even go half and half. We go half and half. So there you have it, guys. French toast. Look at this. One more look.
Yep.
All of that. All healthy, delicious, nutritious.
Another
Also building French toast.
Another tip also is put your maple syrup in a little, container or something so that you can measure it.
It's like a little bowl or a little,
Yeah.
like such.
Just put some maple syrup in there and then you can measure it properly and you're not over, soaking your French toast.
All right. So we have. All right. Try that recipe out, gang.
Peace.
Peace and love.
Bye.
Bye.